y'all. Welcome back to our channel. As you can tell from the title, today we are trying TikTok snacks. So I already got my little half a pepper going because I'm not really a fan of peppers, but everybody's been doing it. I want to give it a try, see how it tastes. Takis, cream cheese, peppers, and the lime.
The lime.
Yeah, I seen that in the video. How you think it's gonna taste, babe?
Like,
I don't know. I don't really like cream cheese. I mean, I had strawberry cream cheese on a bagel before, but I ain't never really.
First off, this is not
I'm gonna just
Subway.
do just like
Who
a little,
eats these
you know,
raw besides
already
on
clean.
sandwiches? Subway.
I actually, we could have steamed it a little bit first. And that probably would have tasted better. Exactly. Alright, so we're supposed to put this
Cream cheese in the inside, like spread it.
all in the
Spread
inside.
it around.
We're gonna try another TikTok snack too. And if you've been watching our previous videos, y'all know I'm not really a fan of spicy stuff. I never really had these Takis before, but it's a hot chili pepper and lime.
I bet they definitely just saw me cut a hole in there. But you know what? It's cool. Watch this.
What you do?
That on purpose. I did that on purpose.
I can't do the whole pepper. What you do?
Nothing.
I think this enough for me.
Look what she be talking me into.
That's enough. He did not want to do it, y'all, and I'm still trying to get him to try the second TikTok snack. So just try it. Just try it. Alright. No, they don't smell bad.
You never had Takis before?
No.
See, look.
Just hot Cheetos, y'all, and that's it. Hot Cheetos and hot fries. I can't do the. I'm gonna just put them.
How much cream? Look, alright.
How much
look,
you put some more.
Hell no, this for my bagels.
Oh my god, I can't do bagels either. Comment in the section if y'all like bagels, what kind of bagels y'all like. Cause I had bagels, but I tried strawberry cream cheese, but I can't do the.
Chinwello, they gonna be like.
This is just
no
flavor cream cheese on the bagel.
Man, look, y'all. This why I don't. This why I don't eat with spoons.
Ooh.
This don't even look amusing. This not something they would. I bet this would come on the Travis Scott burger. That's where this came from, huh?
Yeah, Travis Scott meal fire while you playing.
What's the Travis Scott meal? A
that
regular
meal
burger.
Tastes like it got that burger tastes like it got season on it. You know the McDonald's sandwiches be nasty, ain't got no season on it.
No, I don't
Yes.
eat McDonald's no more.
Okay. They're good. You squeeze the lime on there? Wow.
I bet they invented this in a joint. Somebody in a joint in the county.
This is good. The Takis definitely make it more on point. But this is a hit. You said I was gonna like it too. Not too much cream cheese. Fire. Y'all gotta try this. Especially y'all that love peppers. Oh my god. Y'all will love this. This is fire. I don't know if I'm gonna sit here and eat this whole thing, but it's good. If y'all tried this, comment below how y'all felt. What was y'all feedback? Because this is good. We definitely doing a second TikTok snack.
You know what?
And these TAKIS are good too. They're not even all that spicy. Alright, y'all. So that's that on that. That was good. If y'all haven't checked out our other videos, make sure y'all check out our videos. We got more stuff coming. We've been so busy, y'all, but we got more stuff coming. Trust and believe. Make sure y'all just keep watching, keep tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment down below.
I'm pretty sure this is not healthy. This bar.
But it's
Bussin'.
so good.
Chicken shack. Bussin'.
Oh my god.
Dirty South. Bussin'.
We from Springfield, y'all. Springfield, Illinois. If you know, you know. So you ain't even gotta be from
You
Springfield.
Springfield.
Well, we live in Springfield. But if you know, you know. He played too much. Thank y'all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below, and try the snack.